I honestly really don't want to get out of my tent. Just woken up. I'm in so much pain, but I gotta say I did sleep like a baby last night because I think I was just so exhausted.
Morning.
I'm kind of missing my phone. I just kind of miss my friends and my family now. I'm just like, oh, I want to see them. It's been great so far. It's been a lot of fun. I knew this was going to be a challenge, and I'm happy.
Cold.
Kai's complaining that it's cold. It is cold, so I will actually be staying in here all day. I'm dead inside. What are you dreading for today?
More logs and trees. We're sitting out here and looking, and there are a lot around.
Yeah,
so
it's gonna be a really, really tough day.
It's gonna be a tough day.
I'm probably gonna start crying at the end of today. I think I'm really missing my family and friends, so it's gonna be.
Yeah, that homesickness is kind of setting in for both of us.
It's gonna be a hard day today. And I'm crying, but I'm not. It's gonna be fine. It'll be fine.
I know that we possibly have a challenge at the end of the day.
So that's exciting.
Upcoming, so that is exciting.
Yeah.
Hopefully that'll be a break.
Oh my god. Yeah, let's go.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm just freezing. Let's go. Oh, that is horrendous.
Great start for today. Kai's fallen off already.
I'm soaking wet.
Oh my god, today is gonna be a great day. Today is. Can you? Oh my god. And I'm already like, why are we continuing on? Yay! Oh my god. Oh my god.
Can't go under it. Can't go over it.
You don't have to go do it. Okay. We've got water.
Fit check time.
Hey guys, so my name's Jessie and today I'll be doing my fit check. So underneath I've got my Gymshark leggings.
Blue shirt, Kathmandu. It's got about a ton of mud on it.
On top I've got my Mac pack, is 3/4 zip.
Got my feeding tube, my camel pack.
And then I've got my, what are these called again?
Waders.
Waders, which are soaking wet.
Got my GoPro. I got my soiled wet pants underneath these, and then I got my waders as well from the water.
Then I've got my beanie, such a sleigh. And then I've got a pink, thermal underneath. Heading on the road again. Hi,
I'm Kai.
Jessie.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Jessie, nice to meet you.
I saw you both on the news last night.
Oh, awesome.
Are we good?
Yeah. Oh, brilliant. It's on Djaara country. So, as part of caring for countries, this is one of the sites chosen for cultural burn, low temperature, restoring it back to its natural state as much as we can.
How often do you do these burns?
So these are done annually. So basically the idea is a lot of the GenDuck we program is to come back annually and keep treating those areas. In some areas we might treat, and if we don't find that we get enough treatment on that day, we might come back a couple of weeks later and reignite those areas again. But yeah, definitely it's got to be an ongoing process to get us back in the landscape. Yeah. But to get Djaara back there as well and learning, but then also fire is really important as well. So putting fire back into here on a regular basis changes that regime of how fire is managed and how it has been managed for the last sort of 100 years. And for our traditional owners, putting that back in the landscape, they learn culturally, socially, bringing people back together and having a good relaxing day as well.
G'day, how's it going? What's your name?
My name's Peter.
Nice to meet you, Peter. I'm
Nice
Kai.
to meet you. I'm Jessie. Hi.
Womanjanka to Djaara Jandak, which means country, ancestral homelands of the Djaara people. I've been out here probably about 2 years now, and it was not like this. It was all covered in what we call old man weed. So we make that as like a tonic. I make a balm out of it, and I've got one for you because I heard yous are nice and sore.
Yeah.
So here's some bush medicine tea.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
These are finger lime. So our citrus fruits have a higher rate of vitamin C. And even like other bush tucker, they're higher in things that you wouldn't get in the supermarket or in a supplement. If you're connected to country, you respect all those things and you don't be greedy. You don't rubbish. And I don't see it as my country, I see it as our country. So reconciliation, you're moving forward, but you're doing it together.
So guys, we're trying to start a fire.
I'm just on strike. It's a work in progress.
Oh my god, I think we started a fire. Slay.
Really good. Yeah.
No way! Eucalyptus, because the oil's in it, starts a fire. I think my highlight of today was definitely seeing you fall.
When we woke up and neither of us wanted to go into it, and I got straight in and fell in. It was just, I just knew it was going to be a long day. So the kayaking killed us today, but I think seeing Peter really late into the day really helped. That just before sunset, and we just finished kayaking here, and yeah, really happy. So this is a better day than others.